Wow, wow, wow. Right, the property's now been signed off and complete. Come and take a look around what a professional refurbishment looks like. When we first took this property on, it was in a state of disrepair. There were so many issues and the overall condition was so poor. With the expertise of our refurb team, the neglected space has turned into an absolutely stunning, modern, perfect home for absolutely anyone. In particular, the kitchen and the bathroom. The standards that have been brought here are absolutely second to none. They're absolutely immaculate to an amazing standard. The bathroom has had a complete overall transformation. Very much a case of out with the old and in with the brand new modern design. And we didn't just stop with the structural elements of the property. Each room has been thoughtfully furnished to create a really welcome atmosphere that any tenant would be really proud to call their home. If you're a landlord or an investor looking to transform your property, choose NGU Refurbishments. We'll turn your vision of that property to a reality.